The Indian Ocean Rim Association, which is better known by its abbreviation IORA, is an intergovernmental organization established in 1997. It was the brainchild of late South African President Nelson Mandela, who envisaged an organization to bring together the coastal states bordering the Indian Ocean to promote regional cooperation and sustainable development. IORA's primary objectives are promoting peace, stability, and sustainable development in the Indian Ocean region. It seeks to enhance economic cooperation, trade, investment, and maritime security in the region. IORA is vital in addressing the unique challenges and opportunities presented by the Indian Ocean. With its diverse membership and wide-ranging objectives, it plays a crucial role in promoting regional stability and prosperity. IORA endeavors to achieve its objective through identifying 6 key priority areas and 2 cross-cutting areas. One of the IORA's key focus is the blue economy, recognizing the immense potential of the Indian Ocean for fisheries, aquaculture, renewable energy, and sustainable tourism. The organization also addresses climate change adaptation, disaster risk reduction, and women empowerment, making it a comprehensive platform for regional cooperation. We have now 23 member states and 11 dialogue partners. It was also a pleasure to welcome our newest dialogue partner, Saudi Arabia, which attended the IORA meeting for the first time in Colombo. With the hosting of the IORA meeting in Colombo, Sri Lanka assumed the chairmanship of IORA from Bangladesh for the period 2023 to 25. Sri Lanka has selected strengthening regional architecture, reinforcing Indian Ocean identity as the theme for its chairmanship. This is the second time Sri Lanka has assumed chairmanship of IORA, having held the chairmanship 20 years ago in 2003 to 4.
India's commitment to the well-being and progress of nations of the Indian Ocean, including as first responder and a net security provider, is based on our neighborhood first policy, on the Sagar outlook, on our approach to the extended neighborhood as well. It also draws on our broader vision of an Indo-Pacific that is built on a rules-based international order, rule of law, sustainable and transparent infrastructure investment, freedom of navigation and overflight, and sincere respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity. India views IORA as a platform for promoting sustainable development, economic growth, and prosperity and stability in the region. As the Vice Chair of IORA, India will work on consolidating and streamlining efforts to promote cooperation in the realms of the 6 priority areas and the 2 cross-cutting themes of the IORA, with particular emphasis on maritime safety and security and the blue economy.
Sri Lanka's chairmanship of IORA would provide an opportunity to bring important matters to the forefront of regional discussions. The country's leadership during its term would contribute to advancing cooperation and addressing common challenges amongst the member states of the Indian Ocean Rim Association. As the chair of IORA, we look forward to enhancing peace, stability and harmony in the Indian Ocean by working with the partners near and far, particularly with the Troika, the past chair, our close neighbor Bangladesh, and the incoming vice chair who will assume the chairmanship after Sri Lanka's term, India. Sri Lanka, as a member of the international community, attach a great deal of importance to multilateralism and believe that collective action and partnering with others is the way to resolve problems and address issues. Our approach is that diplomacy is the key to address difficult issues. During its chairmanship, Sri Lanka intends to carry out a comprehensive calendar of events covering various areas in consultation with our partners. We also contemplate hosting a summit of leaders of IRA member states next year, which we suggested at the senior official level meeting and which was adopted by the Council of Ministers.
You are all aware that we have successfully concluded the 23rd Indian Ocean Rim Association Council of Ministers. I welcome the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka as the new chair and the Republic of India as the new vice chair of the association. They will steer IORA for the next 2 years under the theme Strengthening Regional Architecture, Reinforcing Indian Ocean Identity, which is very appropriate one in the present context. We have assured Sri Lanka our fullest support in discharging the chair's responsibilities and turn IORA into a vibrant and purpose-driven association and take IORA forward in the next 2 years.